Hi, it's James, aka Batman Fan, back with another banger. This is going to be a unboxing video, something I bought on eBay, because on the Friday the 1st of April, I bought one Miles Morales Spider-Man adult costume slash bodysuit, which was Spider-Man into the superhero costume kids adult Miles Morales bodysuit cosplay. Then they were dispatched on the 2nd of April. I picked them up on the 11th of April. So here we go. And this is the packet. So that's the front and that is the back. So let's open this baby up. Let's use my scissors just in case, because I'm not 100% sure if oops. Right. So here we go. That's the front, and then that is the other side, the back. So big thumbs up on that. Can't wait to wear that, and obviously do a update video, which will be the next thing I will do. The usual schnizzle. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, please comment on the video too, share the video if you like. Just leaves me to say, until the next unboxing on Batman Fan, just leaves me to say peace.